Yo, Wagwan man, you're tuned into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at Ishowspeed's FaceTime call to Adin, Ross, and Kai for the New Year's Gone Wrong. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, man. Drop a like, it helps the video, and comment down below and let me know what you think of Ishowspeed's shenanigans, because they're always up there and wild. I'm just going to get right into the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yo, bro. Yo,
Yo,
bro.
why the fuck does Adin look like some fucking... What's that nigga's name again, man? What's that rapper's name? That white rapper from the South. Paul Wall. Why does he look like Paul Wall?
Yeah,
oh my god.
Hey, I'm streaming right now. What's good?
The hell?
You getting lit right now? Show me them booty. Oh, baby, you so... Oh, baby. I said put that girl on the mic. Let me talk to her.
This nigga's stupid.
What's good with your... Ah! Damn, your strong face ass. God, nah, hell nah. Yeah.
Yo, this is actually so funny. Why he roast Nadia like that? Actually, just made me happy. That's so funny.
Listen to me, my brother, listen. Are you listening?
Yeah. Who was that? Oh, that's Black West.
Hold on, speak. I love you. Listen, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
If you can hear me, nod your head. Nod your head if you can hear me.
Okay.
I love
Just
you.
covering the mic.
Life. I got you no matter what. Your birthday's coming up. I'm gonna throw you the craziest, best, biggest party ever. Listen, you're not my friend. You're my brother for life. Fuck this internet shit. You're my dog. Let's go to 2023, 2023, and let's go fucking crazy.
Yes, sir.
I love you.
Love you too. Hey,
brother. Love.
all right, well, peace out. Peace out.
I thought he was gonna roast the shit out of Nadia again. That was so funny.
Shit, bro. I'm telling you, bro. That's what that's what alcohol do to people, bro. That's why I would never drink a day in my life. He probably do mean that though. If he really do mean that, I love him too. But you know when you, I heard chat. No, I heard alcohol makes you tell the truth.
I don't believe that this nigga don't drink. Like the way he acts, there's no way. And if he really doesn't, can you imagine if he does drink how you'd move?
So chat, is that true, y'all? He's just drunk as shit right now. Trust me, bro. I seen Adin drunk plenty of times, bro. I'm telling you, I know that look. He's drunk as hell, bro. He's just talking out his ass right now. He's talking out the bottom crack of his ass.
He do talk
you know
like
what
that
I'm saying,
all the time,
chat?
though.
So look, hold on, chat. When you drunk, do you tell the truth? That's the reason why I would never drink a day in my life, bro. A day in my life.
Because you need to lie
A
every
day in my
day.
life. This one time when I was 11 years old, I like tasted it like a little bit. It burnt my heart or something, bro. Call Kai. Kai's not gonna answer. No way, bro. I doubt Kai answers. If he does, he's a real man's. Like, he's a real man's. 5 minutes before.
Man has him his
like,
own
if he
picture
actually does. I
of him
doubt he's
in his
probably
background.
freaking drunk. Yo, everybody's drunk on New Year's. Damn. He's not gonna answer me. Yeah, I told you, chat. Yo, Kai was good.
Wait, are they at the same
What
place?
you doing, boy?
Yo, what's good, bro?
Hey, bro, where the hoes at?
What's up?
Where the hoes at?
You said what?
I said, where the hoes at?
Look.
Okay, alright. Hey, look, let me talk to him real quick.
Man, you streaming?
Yeah.
Tell the stream I said what's up.
Hey, look, let me talk to one girl real quick before you hang up. Let me talk to one girl.
Wait, you want to talk to one?
Yeah.
It's loud in here.
All right, come on.
I got you right now. Hold on. I got you right now. Speed.
What the
Look.
fuck?
Alright.
Wait, what the fuck was that on Speed? This youth Speed is such a strange guy.
What? Come on, let me.
Look, you want to talk to one right now?
Yeah.
Look, hold on. I'll talk to you.
Bro, just find any woman, bro. Just find any girl.
Look, he want to talk to you. Look.
Put Nadia back on. Oh, damn.
Oh, hell no, get your bitch.
No, you don't like it.
Hey, Kai, bro, I love you, bro. Have a great New Year's, Kai. Hey.
I'm gonna find another one.
Alright.
Yo,
You
that
want
was
to go, right?
so
Yeah, just-
fucking mean, yo. This nigga is too funny.
Hey, female.
What? You want to go, right?
Yes.
I bet. I got you right now.
Alright.
Hold on. You want to talk to you?
Ooh, what's good, baby?
Yo, this guy's stupid.
I know.
Hey, call me.
Oh, she
Hey, speed.
is so lit. Did you see her eyes?
Yeah,
Can't even see it.
Hold on, hey, look.
Hey, speed.
Speed, and I know your birthday coming up, so we about to get lit.
All right, yeah, for sure, for sure. Hey, look though.
Hey, I love you, bro. Yo, I love you, bro. Happy New Year's,
Hey,
bro.
love you, bro. Have a great New Year's too. All right, bro. Peace out, brother.
Thank you so much, bro.
All right. Oh, he actually did answer, bro. They're my real friends, bro. Oh, I didn't expect them to answer because it's only like 5 minutes left of like.
I'm really stuck on the fact that this man said he doesn't drink and he acts
y'all
like
ready
this.
to come in this new year with me, y'all? 2023. Are you guys ready? Yeah, bro. WK and Adin, bro. But Kai wasn't drunk though. I can tell when somebody drunk. Kai wasn't drunk. He's sober. Y'all ready? Chat, y'all ready to come to this new year with me, y'all?
Nigga, it's the same
It's
place.
about to be New Year's in 2 minutes, y'all. Are you guys ready?
I'm waiting for the gone wrong part.
Are you guys ready, man? It is that time. Oh no, I just spilled water on my mic.
Ain't nobody care, man.
I just spilled water on my PC too. Oh god.
You good? You'll get another one. This guy's so gross, bro.
Y'all ready, chat? 1 minute.
Alright, what possesses
Everybody
him to
get
do this shit?
ready. I love every single one of y'all in the stream right now. I love every single one of y'all in the chat. I love y'all boys so much, bro. I love y'all, bro. It's about to be a new year, chat. Even though, chat, you won't feel the difference, but later on, later on in the year, you will feel the difference. You know what I'm
What's
saying?
the difference? What's the difference?
January 1st, you know, and y'all know, chat, my birthday's coming up, you know.
Yo, so many people are born in January.
I'm gonna
Side
have a
note.
good time on my birthday. I cannot wait for my birthday. You know, it's 2023. You never know what's gonna happen this year, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So many things happen in 1 year, bro. So many things, bro. Trust me. So many things happen in 1 year. This is a new year, bro. Set your goals, bro. Get right. Lock in, bro. Whatever you want to do, lock in, bro. It's a new time to grind, bro. New people gonna come.
Inspirational one, they say.
I wonder where I'm gonna be at this year. 2023. Well, here we go. 33, 32,
Please do not count
30,
from 30.
29,
This
28,
This thing is actually counting down from 30.
27. Oh shoot, 24, 23. God, 20, 19, 18,
Yo, this
17,
guy's the best actor I've ever
16,
seen in my life.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday! 2021, baby!
Is this nigga alright?
Daddy, they shooting, Daddy!
Nigga,
Daddy, they shooting! Daddy!
alright, no, I have to
Oh my
give the.
God!
Yo, sometimes he's funny.
Oh my God!
Honestly, sometimes he's funny. When he's not doing that nasty ass farting shit and burping and all that shit, he is actually funny. Because that was actually jokes, man. But I guess there's no gone wrong. It is funny that he roasted the shit out of Nadia like that. I know I'm not the only person that's happy about that, but guys, don't forget to hit that like button. Sub if you're new to the channel, man. I'll see you guys later.